Hello everyone, it's Unreal Short and Easy, and today we will implement weapon holding. First we have to download the model for the weapon. Open the link in the description and download it. Then open Unreal and in the Assets folder create a folder for meshes and add the weapon folder inside. Next, import the downloaded model. When the model is imported, create a folder called Weapon in the Blueprints folder and add class BP Weapon. In this class, add static mesh and use the imported model as the mesh. Also remove collisions from the weapon because some weapon models can collide with the character and those collisions can break movement. Open the character class and use the weapon actor as a child component of the mesh. Set right hand bone as socket and move and rotate the rifle to fit the right hand. To move it more freely, use word gizmos instead of local and disable movement and rotating snappings. From some perspectives, it's almost impossible to move and rotate the rifle because of the camera and weapon actor's billboard. That's why you should move the camera somewhere for a time. Open the weapon blueprint and set 0 to edit a billboard scale. Now it's easier to move and rotate. It fits well, but we have to implement left hand holding. Open the weapon model and create a socket called left hand. Then move it to the possible position of left hand. Now we need to get this socket position in the character animation blueprint. At first, create the structure BPS weapon visual info in the folder with weapon blueprints. Now it contains only one field, but in the future we will extend weapon information. At first it will be left hand transform. Then create a blueprint interface in the weapon folder and add the function getVisualInfo, which will return weapon info. Add this interface to the weapon class interfaces and implement this function. Before returning, we should make our structure and set left-hand transform. We will use the function getSocketTransform with left hand as the socket name. Then open interface BPI character and add the function getWeaponInfo. Which will return weapon visual info value. Let's implement this function. Use the function getVisualInfo of BPI weapon. Check if weapon is valid. I forgot about that on this stage, but it will be correct to use a child actor component instead of an actor component in getWeapon function. Now we need to open the animation blueprint. Then open the event graph. And select Set and Speed Logic. And collapse it to function. Then move nodes inside the function and remove unnecessary output pin. And rename it to the Calculate Character Speed. Now create another function where we will save weapon data from character. Then use getWeaponInfo of character interface. Break weapon info and set the left hand transform to a variable. Use this function in the update animation event. After that, open the animation graph and add to bone IK node. Select this node and set left hand as IK bone. And change effect allocation space to vault space. Finally, set the left hand position as effect allocation. It looks not bad, but it's better to change the position. It looks great, but you can move the left hand socket as you need to find the perfect position. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your attention and see you soon!